Hey, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. All right, so quick update on my PulseX farm. Just wanted to show you. I think I started the farm last night around 11 p.m., give or take. So it's not even, what is it, like 14 hours, 15 hours, something like that. So basically, if we take a look at the earnings so far, I think when I made my last video, I only put in 5K USDT, but this time I added 5K more. So the total liquidity, the LP token I got was 1.1, which is 20,427 USD. I put in 10,000 USDT and about 120 million pulse. Okay, and you can see that within 14 hours, give or take, I earned about 6.975 ink token. And if we go to hold on one second. Yep, on gopulse.com you can see the ink token is about $3.99, $4. Oh, it just turned $4. So that's basically the reward. $4 times 6.975 equals 2902. Now, if you want to take this out, you can let this go as long as you want. You don't have to have it staked in earning, right? You just click harvest, and then you basically sign the signature, and you get ink token to your wallet. And then you could, if you want to hold it and hodl, you could do that. If you want to sell it for USDT, you can do that. If you want to sell it for more PulseChain or PulseX or whatever tokens you want, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm going to let this run, but quickly I'm going to show you the calculator of my potential earnings here. So let's just say 20,400. Over the course of 7 days, I should be earning 73.7 ink, which is about $300. Over the course of a month, I'll be getting about $1,300. That's freaking amazing if you think about it. I mean, you put in $20,000 in the bank, what, you won't even make anything close to this in a year. I mean, nowadays I think they're giving you 5% on CDs. So, I mean, that's nothing. That's nothing. In 7 days, and I mean, look at 1 year. I mean, this is the fact that it's going to stay at 78%, 77% APR. When I put this in the other day, it was 75 point something. Now it's almost 78. So this can fluctuate. So, you can take it out when you want. Just keep an eye on it daily, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably let this thing run, for a couple weeks, a month, see how it goes. If it looks great, I'm just gonna keep it in here, keep earning. And we could talk about impermanent loss in another video, but basically, as long as the market's going up, you're going to be good. If the market takes a dip, you could get some impermanent loss. I could have less pulse versus USDT over time, but that's how it works, But you're still earning yield, and you could just buy back more pulse if you want with your ink reward. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, a lot of people are farming. If we take a look at this view here, you can take a look at the liquidity in these pools. You got the most in this one, paying at about 10 point, almost 11%, 72, 74. Here it says 74, but when I open it up on the actual page, it was saying 79, 78%. That's huge. So that's pretty much it. If you want to learn how to do these steps and you just discovered this video, watch my other video. I'll have it under this video so you can revert back to it as far as learning how to add to the pool or taking out to the pool. I guess when I maybe I'll harvest this in about a week, and I'll make another video showing you how this ended up at the end of a week, and harvesting the ink token, and maybe even just selling it for a stable coin, right, if I want to. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty simple. Just wanted to give you an update on the first, 24, not even 24 hours of my contract here. But it's pretty easy. I mean, this is pretty damn easy to do. Pretty damn easy to do. All right. So it's Tony here. If you want to learn more about the whole crypto ecosystem, including PulseChain, PulseX, Hex, all those amazing coins by Richard Hart, all you got to do is subscribe to the video here. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions, like the video, and I will see you in the next. Have a good one. Bye.